Блядь, ну пиздец. Долбоёб, блядь, а. Стой нахуй. Так, 407. Смотрите, как он.
Fucking twat. Absolute fucking. Oh, Jesus Christ. Fuck. You fucking idiot. Where are you going? Where the fuck are you going? Yo!
Don't fall apart in the meantime.
So, what are the odds she's going to get this through? I mean, where's the criticism in her own government on this?
Well, one thing that just came up in the last 24 hours is there's some reports that under one scenario, Northern Ireland might continue to align more with EU regulations than with those in the UK, which has politicians in Northern Ireland upset. Now, this may sound very technical, but, the United Kingdom involves a variety of places: Scotland, Wales, of course, England, and North.
Out on the west coast, gotta get back to can't let this go.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Jesus! Shots fired, County. Shots fired, kid! County, I need units now! County, he's fleeing in a vehicle, head eastbound on Steel.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's